FM. DCG.
Kay daling mahalin, kay daling gawin.
Kay daling gawin ito, kay daling kiliw ko.
Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the most listened to radio show on the planet. Even the other stations are tuned in too.
Transmitting live and loud from the heart of the South.
Your systems are offline.
5K power. 960 meters above sea level. 110 kilometers from the metro. This is 91.9 Air 1 FM. DWCH 919. Broadcasting 7 days a week. 19 hours daily. Non-stop variety hit music.
91.9 FM. Playing all the best music.
95.9 Radyo Totoo. Lakas ng katotohanan. Sandigan ng mga mamamayan.
Your good vibes.
Waking up to a brand new morning, yeah. Listening to the radio. Oh, 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 DJs play my favorite songs, yeah. Sing together all day long. Yeah. Simula alas 5, samahan nyo kami. Umaga, tanghali, kahit ating gabi. Mag-aati sa'yo ng sayang ibang klase. Dahil sa GV, walang imposible. Sa GV, ikaw number 1. Sa GV, let's have some fun. Buksan mo na ang radyo, tara kwentuhan tayo. 99.9, let's go!
Saan man sulok ng Southern Luzon, magbibigay ng good vibes. Just turn your radio on. Keep on spreading the good vibes. Keep on spreading the good vibes. Keep on spreading the good vibes.
Sa GV, 99.9, let's go!
Join good vibes.
You are listening to.
You are listening to.
You are listening to.
GV 99.9.
GV 99.9.
GV 99.9.
We are GV 99.9. Your good vibes.
Your good vibes.
Your good vibes. Your good vibes.
Tune in to Big 101.5 FM, Santo Tomas City's powerhouse of uplifting hits. Broadcasting under Christian Music Power Incorporated. We bring you the best in inspirational music. Stay with us for a sound that moves your soul. Big 101.5 FM.
Ulan man o umaraw, dumating man ang lindol o bagyo, kami ang inyong bagong makakasama. Karamay nyo sa kalungkutan at kasalo sa kasiyahan. Maniwala na kayo sa forever dahil kami ang The Infinite Radio 102.3, ang bago niyong lingkod. Mas pinalawak, mas pinalakas. Ito ang Infinite Radio. Infinite Radio 102.3 FM. 102.3 FM, bringing you 24/7 music.
Gotta get in.
Latest news and current affairs all day, every day. Broadcasting live from second floor of EMT Building, Pilay District, Sabang Lipas City. Hatid sa inyo ang mga dekalidad na programa, reliable information, and non-stop great music. Infinite Radio 102.3 FM. Like and follow us on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Para updated ka anytime, anywhere.
Infinite Radio 102.3 FM.
Infinite Radio 102.3.
Sa patuloy naming pagbibigay ng serbisyo may kabuluhan at kahulugan, inspirasyon namin ang inyong mga pagsusumikap at mga pangarap. Isinasa puso namin ang bawat gawain. Isinasa diwa namin ang bawat layunin. Dahil para sa inyo, busilak ang aming bithiin. Kasama ninyo ang brigada sa isang paglalakbay tungo sa tunay na pagpapago ng sambayanan at sa pag-angat ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Brigada, in the heart of changing lives. Brigada News FM, the music and news authority.